Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing the COBB black shift knob on my 2016 Subaru WRX. I'm going to link this in the description below, but let's go ahead and unbox this thing and then install it and give it a little bit of a review. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get started. We're in my little workshop area here, and this is my COBB shift knob. This is the box that it comes in. So we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing here, and we're going to take a look at the stock shift knob. We are going to weigh the two, and this should be a lot of fun. So this is what it looks like when it comes to you. Let's open her up and take a look. So it comes in a little bag. It's looking little box. So got some cool COBB stickers. May or may not put them on the car. I don't want to be super ricey. It's off to the side. Put these back in. And the moment of truth. So let us take this bad boy out of here. This is a sweet shift knob. It's kind of a matte. I've got it all scuffed up, but it's all black except for the white COBB. It's like a matte billet aluminum kind of feel. It's got a lighter feel than the stock shift knob. Lighter feel, roughly the same size. This might be a little bit taller, different grip. This one seems to be a little bit wider than this one. This is definitely more comfortable to handle. I know that doesn't really give you guys any information, but if you compare them like this, actually, maybe this is wider. This one definitely feels wider. It's definitely wider over a longer period if you put them next to each other. This is more of a ball. This is more of like an oblong shape. Very different. I mean, this is a really cool piece. Really easy to install. We're going to quickly go install them in the car. I'm going to show you how to take this off actually, because it's really easy to take this off, but I'll show you how to take it off. Shows gate pattern, does not show gate pattern. I kind of like that, removing it. And let's start with the stock shift knob. Let's put that on there. And we have 198.4 grams. And we're going to do the COBB shift knob, and we're at 104.4 grams. So significantly lighter. Significantly lighter. Now you might ask yourself, why would you want to go with a lighter shift knob? Because you want a weighted one, it's easier. Well, I went with feel, design, look, and comfort. I had held one of these before. I might not get that extra weight to shift into gear, but I'm eventually going to go with a short throw. And I've got to just say, the COBB, I mean, it's so comfortable to hold. It feels so natural. And ultimately, that's why I ended up with the COBB shift knob, is the natural feel. And if you notice the camera shake, that is my dog. That's my dog saying hello. So the COBB definitely felt more natural. Let's install these bad boys and see how it works on the road. Well, let's install this one and see how it works on the road. All right, guys, we've got our stock shift knob here. You can see there's a little bit of glare. You guys can see the stock shift knob. So it's pretty easy to get off. You don't have to do anything. You just twist it. And we're going to twist it to the left if you can't see me doing that. Little left twist, and then it's going to go really easily. And oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. I think we're there. And it comes off, and it's just a screw in. So you can see, just screw it in. So we've taken the stock one off. We've got the COBB one. We're going to go like this. And we're screwing. Definitely goes in further, and we're going to just do a tight. Nope, we don't want to over tighten here. Line up that COBB, and I'm gonna turn it a little bit towards me so I can see it. Is it selfish? I don't think so. I'm gonna turn it towards me. So here we have the COBB in the car. Zoom out a little bit here. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty darn good. Definitely lighter. Feels like a smaller shift knob. I mean, you can see the difference. Not a whole lot of difference. This is definitely not as round, where this is more of a ball. It feels more natural to hold. Feels better to hold. Everything works. Feels really good, actually, guys. It feels really good. Now let's take this for a drive. We're going to take this car for a little bit of a drive. I apologize. It's super sunny, so I apologize if there's sun on me. But I felt that let's just go for it, even though it's sunny and it might screw up the picture, because I can still tell you guys about what's happening, and you're going to still be able to see me, but it'll be a little bit of a hindrance. It already feels weird, you know, going from the stock shift knob, which is definitely heavier and almost has a softer feel because of the wrap. Not necessarily a bad thing, it's just different. So let's see what it's all about. Let's get on here. I'm looking for a filming location. So, it already feels so different. feel like it feels almost a little bit more mechanical. I feel like I don't know how to describe it, holding maybe more of the shift assembly, and here comes the sun. Hopefully it's not too bad. But it definitely feels more mechanical. I don't know if that describes it very well. Doing a lot of starting and stopping here. That was a crappy shift, but trying to just get the feel of this thing. I mean, it definitely looks great, guys. I mean, it looks really good. It makes the interior of the car look really good. And here comes 100% of the sun. Oh boy. I've got to say, as I've got the sun behind me, so I apologize if it's hard to see me, I've got to say it feels a lot better. It takes a second or two to get used to, and it's definitely a smaller thing to hold. But man, oh man, first off, it changes the interior of the car, so that's a big thing. I don't know if I love weighted shift knobs, so this doesn't really affect me that much. It'll be interesting to see how this thing holds up. It looks like it's been powder coated black, and now I think that's a good thing in the long term. I think that's where, that's the best way to actually coat these, color them, make them what they are. That being said, things happen, you're moving around, you're driving, something might hit it, and my worry is if I hit it, I'm going to score it and it's going to look bad. But obviously I can't make a determination on that until it happens, and hopefully it doesn't happen. So guys, I appreciate you watching the video. I definitely recommend getting the COBB shift knob. It's quite the piece of gear if you're looking to change the interior of your car, make yourself feel a little better inside the car, more like you're driving a modified vehicle, and it definitely improves the overall feel. All right, guys, I didn't want to end the video just there. I actually wanted to give you guys an update. It's super late out. I've got to get up for work in the morning. I didn't want to end the video, though, because I wanted to give you guys an update about how this COBB shift knob has been holding up over time. So I've been driving for about a month with it. I put about 1,200 miles on the car since. So I've done quite a lot of driving, and most of that driving has been in traffic, so lots of shifting, lots of neutral to first to second to third to second to neutral to first to... You guys know what it is in stop and go traffic. It sucks. It absolutely blows. But regardless, it has held up really well. No scuffs, no marks. I was really concerned about it. I'll often put hand sanitizer on after going to meetings and stuff, after touching a lot of people's hands and stuff. Yeah, I mean, you guys probably do the same. Hasn't worn the shift knob at all. I was a little concerned about that too, but it's held up really well. I've hit it with a few things, not intentionally, but like it's brushed up. My Apple Watch has hit it sometimes, but no scuffs, nothing. It feels great. I think definitely, like, if you know you don't want a weighted shift knob, this is what you should do. If you want a weighted shift knob, it's a tough one, right? It's a tough one. I kind of want to test a weighted shift knob for a while, just after using this one for a while. I think the extra weight might actually help. I think this is, after using it for this long, it feels a little bit light. And I know that's a really crappy thing to say, because it's an awesome shift knob, and it's an awesome shift knob, and I'm so glad I made the change. But maybe I want something heavier. I don't know, I'm so torn. Here, has anyone else done two shift knobs weighted and not weighted? Or switch between the two because you didn't like one or the other? Drop it in the comment section below. I'd like to know your experience. But again, I'm not trying to say it's a bad shift knob, because it's an awesome shift knob, and I mean, really, it's been awesome. I just don't know. It really changed the car. I really enjoy it. Maybe I'll enjoy a weighted one more. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to get one to show you guys. And guys, if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Every subscription helps. Every review helps. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Especially if you stayed this far through. I ended the video and I was like, I need to give you guys an update. And it's 1 in the morning. I don't have my watch on. Maybe 1 in the morning. I was literally editing in bed, getting ready for the day tomorrow. So I apologize for looking like I just got out of bed. But yeah, so if you stuck through this far through, let me know. I appreciate you guys that do watch the videos fully. It really helps the channel grow. And it really helps me rank the videos so it can get in front of people. And I can do things to my car, because I'm a little cheap, but it also, I mean, this channel gives me a little bit of money, enough money to kind of invest into the car, and not everything, but it does a little bit. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.